Stop throwing away your home's potential. That old suitcase. Those mismatched teacups. They aren't trash. They are architectural raw materials. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 2026 designer secrets to turn your cast-offs into breathtaking, museum-grade masterpieces. Let's perform some material alchemy. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. We are currently navigating a global shift where sustainable luxury is the ultimate flex. If you have a garage full of rusty history or a closet of worn-out stories, this masterclass is for you. We are decoding 21 ingenious upcycling ideas to refresh your space with zero-budget brilliance. From industrial metal art to boho textile triumphs, we're proving that organic minimalism starts with a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of humor. Let's elevate your sanctuary. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 1. The Industrial Narrative, Metal Alchemy. We begin with metal alchemy. Wandering into the world of recycled metal is like entering a gallery of rust and resilience. Take that old garden rake head, most see junk. I see a rustic kitchen utensil holder. By cleaning the metal and mounting it on a sleek, dark surface, we create a breathtaking contrast that shouts, trash can be trendy. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 2. The Luminous Teacup Shadow Architecture. In segment 2, we tackle shadow architecture. A teacup chandelier using mismatched porcelain and Edison bulbs isn't just a light. It's a radiant focal point. The way the light spills over the delicate ceramic creates an atmospheric glow that feels museum-grade. It's about seeing the potential in the mismatched. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 3. Furniture Metamorphosis, Spatial Integrity. When we upcycle furniture, we look for architectural volume. Take a vintage suitcase and repurpose it into a quirky side table with storage. It adds visual soul to your room while solving a functional need. It's no longer a bag. It's a bespoke side piece that narrates a story of travel and rebirth. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 4. The Textile Dialogue, Tactile Integrity. We specialize in tactile integrity. Those denim jean pockets, we're fashioning them into a hanging wall organizer. Or perhaps weaving t-shirt yarn into boho wall hangings. These projects bring a soft, human touch to our organic minimalism, marrying your environmental ethos with your daily creative aspirations. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 5. The Floating Wood Linear Rhythm. For my minimalist lovers, we use linear rhythm. Reclaimed wood planks arranged as a floating shelf or wooden pallets turned into a statement headboard with fairy lights. The key is the zero-budget luxury feel. It's about using the raw grain to create architectural integrity without the price tag. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 6. The Visual Echo Finish, the Senior Expert Tip. The final designer secret is the visual echo. To make these 21 projects feel cohesive, repeat a texture or color. If you use jute on your kitchen utensil holders, use it again on your sweater sleeve candle covers. This creates compositional continuity, ensuring your upcycled home feels curated, not cluttered. Every piece becomes a testament to the power of innovation. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 7. The Structural Stack, Architectural Volume. In segment 7, we create architectural volume. We aren't just hanging a shelf, we are stacking old dresser drawers into a unique wall installation. The designer secret here is the interior pop. By painting the inside of the drawers in a matte, earthy tone, you create a breathtaking depth that frames your favorite objects. It's a quirky, high-artistry way to turn storage into a show-stopping highlight. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 8. The Ladder Library, Linear Rhythm. To ground a room, you need linear rhythm. A rustic ladder transformed into a blanket rack isn't just for cozy nights. It's a vertical, style weapon. It draws the eye upward, increasing the perceived height of your ceiling. This material dialogue between the rough, aged wood and the soft, luxury textiles creates a soulful sanctuary vibe that feels both expensive and inviting. Before you go and rescue that next piece of metal or wood, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Every time you choose to upcycle, you're not just admiring cool pieces, you're giving a hearty nod to sustainability. If you're ready to try the bicycle wheel photo display or the spoon hook, tell me in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, upcycling is more than a trend. It is a lifestyle choice. Your home should be a whirlwind tour of your own creativity, where every old gear and forgotten book has a story to tell. Practice your material alchemy. Let your imagination run wild, and create a breathtaking sanctuary that reflects the infinite potential of your spirit. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.